Yeah, the helicopter is an old Thunder Tiger MD530 scale heli. With the mechanic is Thunder Tiger Raptor 50 Titan. And it's a real old helicopter. But I have been working on it now for a couple of years, and yeah, it was nice maiden flight.
Okay, so this is also second hand.
Yeah, but this was this was second hand, but it was brand new from the box, everything.
Beautiful.
Servos, engine, radio, yeah, the whole package.
Cool. Nice Maiden. I only filmed with a 100 to 300 millimeter lens, so I'm not sure about the quality, but we hope it went well.
Yeah. And I can also say that I got a 5-bladed
Head?
rotor head,
Yes.
but I haven't been able to set it up the right way yet.
We will be there.
I will be there during next winter.
No. In a couple of weeks.
Maybe a couple of weeks.
Okay.